Tonight we're channeling flavours of Italy with the Bhut Jolokia, king prawn and chorizo spaghetti dish. So ingredients you'll need for this dish: 150 grams of king prawns, 60 grams of chorizo, a diced white onion, a generous handful of baby spinach, 2 and chopped tomatoes, passata, a clove of diced garlic, 150 grams of spaghetti, of course our MAHI Bhut Jolokia extra spicy sauce, and then to serve I garnish with some fresh diced basil as well.
So first goes in your spaghetti, that's 150 grams, followed by your onions over a tablespoon of heated olive oil in a pan. Next up, add your king prawns, then chorizo, then last thing before we make our sauce, in goes the garlic, and then followed by our tin of chopped tomatoes, a generous glug of passata there, and most importantly our Bhut Jolokia hot sauce. This one has some serious heat, so you might want to taste as you go. Next up, wilt in some spinach. Once your spinach is wilted down, leave it to simmer, and then once your pasta is done, this will be done too. So all that's left to do now is get served and eat.
This dish really could not be any easier. From start to finish, this one takes under 20 minutes and it's so lovely. The Bhut Jolokia sauce is my absolute favourite, so I hope you enjoy it as well. Bon appetit!